Hey, Steve Zalunardo here at Treviso Realty. Just a real quick update on the market. Current inventory right now with condos included and single-family villas, we're at 23,937 units. So definitely a ton of inventory. Nice balance. Would probably be about 17,000 units. So we are definitely taking on a lot of listings currently right now. If we break it down into single families or like homes rather than like condos, we're at 16,333 units with 247 sales in the last 7 days. So not too bad. We've seen an uptick clearly in the market right now. We have listings that weren't getting any activity, and now they're starting to get shown, starting to get talks, starting to get feedback. So now we can, communicate with our sellers, talk about pricing, talk about a new strategy to get their property sold. Because clearly right now, time on market is a very long period of time. When you go on listing presentations now, clients want to get into like a 3 or 6 month contract. It's impossible because it won't sell in that period right now unless it's priced really aggressive and you want to unload it. But if you want to get it to market pricing currently right now, yeah, you're going to be looking at a 6 month plus sale. That's just reality. That's always been Florida, to be honest. Let's break down the inventory in Estero itself. So just single family with villas and towns, we're at 559 units with 13 sales. We have 356 condos. Just remember, condos could be like the low, mid, and high rise. So like low rise is those 2-story buildings that are attached usually to a gated community. So yeah, that's still a ton of inventory, to be honest. A lot of choices out there. What we found is our business picked up too in the first quarter already, or the first month here, where a lot of foreign nationals and also Americans from the north buying in and buying fast because they've been on the sideline so long. So now it's just time to pull the trigger. And we'll see now economically. Obviously, yesterday was the inauguration date. Very exciting date. I think this is going to be good for all. Even if people don't agree, I think for the future of the West, this is probably the best thing available right now to kind of save it in a sense, the way we live and the way we do everything. So yeah, a lot of new stuff coming down economically, which is great. I think the plan is brilliant. I think the people they put in place in these positions are brilliant. I think these are real workers, not just career politicians that kind of fill up the space and then in 4 years they're like nothing gets done. These are people that come from industries where you got to hustle to get things completed, and efficiency is part of that clearly. And so we'll see what happens. I know now supposedly the Gulf of Mexico will be named the Gulf of America, which I like it. I think that's cool. Take it back. And I think that's also due to drilling, because I think Biden on the way out locked that 600 million acres or something crazy, so you can't drill. So I think what they're going to do is they're going to rename the Gulf so they go in there and drill. And what that is going to do, obviously, translate into lower energy costs. Lower energy costs, it obviously translates to the end user, people that use energy, or just if you're buying groceries, if you're filling up your car with gas, anything you're doing, you're buying products, as long as if the energy costs are lower to produce the products, lower to transport the products, also ultimately it's going to translate into the end user at a lower price. Lower price obviously brings down inflation, puts more money in the consumer's pockets, and this is how we get everything back to normal. So we'll see what happens. It's probably a lag time, clearly. I mean, yesterday Trump signed one of the bills. One of the executive orders was energy emergency. So that's clearly all hands on deck, and that's going to obviously go right into the attack the inflation, bring inflation down. What's the lag period with this? I don't know. It could be 6 to 12 months till it kind of translates to an end user. But at the same time, it's going to be great. It's going to be great for all of us. But that's pretty much it. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.